Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we encrypt an Excel document with a password. So to do that, simply click on File, followed by Info, followed by Protect Workbook, and then the second option you have is Encrypt the password. Just click on that. Just after clicking guys, a box will appear where you have to confirm the password, enter the password that you want. So I'll enter the password and click on OK. Again, a reconfirmation box will appear. Again, enter the password and press OK. Now, press Save and close it. To check it, let's open it. Now, as you can see, when you open this file, then it will ask for the password. So I'll enter the same password and press OK. Now, as you can see, guys, this workbook is encrypted with password. So that's all for today. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.